Honestly, I'm not even sure I like anything that I tried out today. Welcome back, fam. It's your girl, Angela Denise, and I am here with you today to try out some new makeup releases. So, I have the new Fenty concealers, brighteners, correctors. They are supposed to be all of the above. I have the new iconic London Sheer Bronze liquid bronzers. And then I also have some of the new HUDA Beauty products that launched around the same time that the VIB sale started. So I just wanted to come and chit chat with you guys about these products. So first up, Fenty Beauty. Okay, so I went ahead and picked up all 4 shades suggested for medium deep skin tones: peach, honey mustard, almond butter, and pumpkin. So for today's demo, I'm going to be using 2 of the 4 shades, that is peach and pumpkin. On the Sephora website, the product is described as an under eye brightener that hydrates, brightens, and conceals with sheer to buildable coverage, delivering a no makeup effect and long wear formula. That it's light, natural, and a liquid formula. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into my demo. I went ahead and applied the product to my my skin without any foundation to hide my hyperpigmentation mark. So I think that the pumpkin shade did a good job at that. I generally use a corrector when I'm filming on camera for the dark hyperpigmentation spots that I have on my face. This shade, pumpkin, definitely reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury, the deepest shade that they have for their color corrector for deeper skins. So I think that the color itself is perfect for people that are NC50 and darker. Pumpkin is a great color corrector for those skin tones. I love the consistency. I love the packaging of this, but for my particular skin tone, I kind of wish that they had one a little bit lighter that I could use. Yes, it did get the job done. I did correct around my mouth, a few spots, and in the corners of my eyes. So all in all, it did get the job done, and I do recommend this corrector for NC50 and deeper skin tones for sure. Okay, sometimes I do use a really bright concealer for the inner corners of my eyes. So that's how I use the product today. So it says that this product can brighten and hydrate. So I wanted to put that to the test. I used my typical concealer, my Pat McGrath concealer in the shade M20. And then I just went in with the brightener and applied it in the corners of my eyes and blended it out. This is the shade 09 Peach. Typically, I would use the NARS Creamy Radiant Secret d'Orge for my brightening. So what I would say is it definitely does brighten. The shades are a little bit weird on some of them. If you go in store, you'll see that certain shades, especially peach and pumpkin, are designated as correcting shades. So those shades typically cancel out like purple and gray and brown undertones that you get from a hyperpigmentation scar. So I did like the way my makeup turned out today, but overall, I would prefer to pick up the shade Honey, and that's the shade 10, to do my brightening for me. So I am going to exchange my peach shade and use Honey instead. So I do want to use this concealer or corrector for brightening and correcting purposes. I will go ahead and keep the pumpkin shade because I think it's great, and I do feel like you can kind of lighten it up, kind of blend it in like with a normal concealer to kind of lighten it up a little bit and still use it as a corrector. So all in all, yes, I do suggest this product for correcting and brightening only. If you want a concealer, I would suggest you go with a concealer like the Pat McGrath, the NARS Creamy Radiant, the DIOR concealer. All of those concealers are really great concealers that I would suggest if you want a full-on concealer. This is a very light, like it suggested, no makeup kind of look. So yeah. Next, we're going to try out a product that I hauled during the VIB sale. a couple of weeks ago, and this is the Iconic London Sheer Bronze Liquid Bronzer. So you guys know that the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand is one of my absolute favorite liquid contour bronzer type products. So I wanted to show you guys the difference between the medium dark and the spice tan color, so that you guys can kind of see the difference. The Charlotte Tilbury is definitely more of a contour shade. So what I did was I went in and contoured this part of my cheek, and then I went back and put the spice tan in the areas that I would typically use a bronzer. So of course I brought multiple shades so that I can swatch them for you to show you guys, so you can kind of pick which shade would look best for you. Now again, I have the shades Caramel Glow. I feel like this shade would be perfect for those that are lighter than an NC 42, NC 43, or NC 44-ish. So if you are NC 44, between NC 44 and NC 50, I think that Spice Tan would be perfect for you. That is the shade that I use today to do my liquid bronze. And for those deeper than NC 50, I think that Sunset Bronze will be absolutely beautiful. You can see in the swatches that these do sheer out. They look like they are really, really deep. I think that that's one of the things that people were complaining about. They really do sheer out and lighten up, but what I would suggest is that you use either more product or you apply the product with a brush to help build it up. But for those days where you just want that natural, radiant, everyday kind of look, I definitely suggest this product. Again, I do like the shade for myself, Spiced Tan. So yeah. HUDA Beauty. She also launched some lip products kind of on the tail end of the VIB. Actually, I don't know, kind of during the VIB sale, if not right before it. I did go ahead and pick up 2 lip pencils and 2 lipsticks. I am currently wearing the shade Moneymaker and Warm Brown on my lips. And I really, 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 really love the lip pencils. I'm kind of undecided on the lipsticks. And it's not the formula. What I'm kind of torn on is the undertones. I kind of feel like I needed something to kind of warm it up, zhuzh it up. So I ended up going on top of the lipstick with my Pat McGrath Faux Real lip gloss to kind of give me that super shine, just add a little bit more dimension to my lip, because I kind of felt like I looked a little bit washed off. You guys chime in and let me know what you think. But generally, these colors really did speak to me because I really love nudes. I'm into nudes these days. So Moneymaker and Sweet Cheeks are the 2 shades that I picked up, and I love them swatched on the back of my hand. Maybe I just need to go in with a different lip liner. I love the lip liners. Once they dry down completely, they do not move. So comparing them to my Pat McGrath lip pencils, they don't move, kind of like those lip pencils. So if you're looking for a really good lip pencil and you like the colors here, the terracotta and warm brown, which they really look very similar on my skin tone, they pretty much look the same on my skin tone. So you guys weigh in and let me know what you think about all of the products that I tested out here today for you. I will be doing another video like this very, very soon. If you have not already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye.